stop crypto credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another update on Novatech. That was probably the fastest withdrawal I've ever received from Novatech FX. Just wanted to show a quick receipt. So I have $628 in my balance. I just received 505. I requested 525, I believe. So they have like a $20 withdrawal fee. So they've already paid me. That's amazing. That was very good, Novatech. Quick, very quick. Usually it takes a little longer, but I just want to show a quick update. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I do to make cash online. Get them likes up, guys. Get them likes up. Likes, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, signing off.